Okay, we have another question that came in. Can a foreign importer of record get ACH set up?
They can, but the key is that they have to have, their current bank has to have a U.S. branch, and the ACH team at Customs wants to know the U.S. address and the U.S. bank routing number. So it's not enough for you to complete or list that name on the application. You actually have to provide the address and the U.S. bank routing number. Also, they request a U.S. telephone number for that bank. They also, and this is just in general, not just foreign, but anybody that's applying for ACH, your bank must be a National Automated Clearinghouse Association participant. And if they are not, then you are not eligible to do ACH, at least through that bank.